before I start putting all this back into place, I want to point out there's a couple of washers here, and they need to go here. The question is, how do they stay there while you're getting all this other stuff in place? So what I'm going to try to do, take some of this old grease that's on here and stick it to the side there, and hopefully these washers will stay in place while I get all the rest of this stuff put together. No, it's not working. I need to put it on a little thicker, I think. Alright, I'll just keep an eye on that, see if that stays put. Alright, so we've got this unit put back together with the gear, and we still have to add more grease to it, but what I'm going to do is get it hooked up to the chain here. There we go. And now we will slide the axle in from that side. Alright, so now we're going to take the wheel here, slide it in there. Now here's the tricky bit. There's some washers that need to go on the end. And then we have this rod, which needs to actually go through all the way through there. And let's see if I can show you on the camera here what's going on. See, this hole here needs to line up with a hole that's in this rod. And there's another hole over here. When this is all the way in, a roll pin will get put in here that will hold it on, and then this will be right in this area somewhere. So let me do this off of camera, and I'll come back when I'm done. I'll show you what's up. Thanks. So what I've had to do, this actual shaft here with the hole in it needs to go in the end over here through the gear on the gearbox, and then into here, and then the hole that's in the end has to line up with this hole. So I've got a washer here, I've got a washer over here, and I've got some roll pins. I believe this is a 3/16 roll pin, and we're gonna tap this in here like so. And a little bit more. There we go. We'll put the other roll pin over here. And this roll pin here is the same size, and the point of this one is to keep this axle in place. A little tricky to get in there with that. Maybe come up from underneath. And a little tricky here. There's actually a spring in the way. Get that spring out of my way. There we go. See if this works any better. Not so much. I think I get a smaller hammer. Thought I had it there. Wow. There we go. Yeah, I felt it give. There we go. So now that side is put in place. I'll put the spring back on and we'll work on the other wheel.